In this video we will talk about colon cleanse side effects. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Before you undergo colon cleansing, it is wise to read information first. Starting a cleansing program on a Monday evening works well for most who can take the rest of the week off easily and smoothly. If you are working or have heavy activities lined up during weekdays, plan to have a colon cleanse program during weekends. Since most colon cleansing procedure will greatly affect your overall system for almost 3 days, you should devote time for the program when you have a vacation or during weekends. Any colon cleanse symptoms should recede within 3 to 4 days. Changing your diet a few days before the actual cleanse will greatly help in reducing side effects and to promote regular bowel movements. Eating heavy foods such as meat and fried stuff is not recommended for at least 2 days before you undergo a colon cleanse. Eat more fresh fruits and vegetables with adequate supply of water during the duration of the colon cleanse program. What are the side effects of colon cleansing? Detoxing is a natural process for our body because it is designed to perform natural cleansing on a regular basis. Though there may be some side effects after a colon cleanse, most patients do not feel any effects that are harmful and can be a subject for a panic. However, when the fecal matter in our colons is very large, the colon has more load than its capacity. Colon cleansing can help the normal function of the digestive system for digestion, absorption of nutrients and elimination of wastes. That's when we need colon cleansing, and based on the amount of fecal wastes our body needs to release, a person can experience side effects such as joint pains, headache, fever, cold, headache and fatigue. However, these side effects are temporary and will normally clear within 2 to 3 days after the colon cleansing. Furthermore, most of these symptoms are not particularly side effects from the products itself but from the process of eliminating wastes and toxins from our body. Sometimes, the toxins taken out from colon cleansing flows in the skin, resulting from rashes, acne and flu-like symptoms. Only a medical doctor or a colon specialist can say whether a person should undergo a colon cleansing procedure or the normal side effects. However, colon cleansing is accepted and does not normally cause harm to a person. Colon cleansing symptoms and some other health condition typically lasts 2 to 3 days. However, if you are experiencing symptoms for quite a long time, never hesitate to consult a doctor to ask for medical attention. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.